welcome to my YouTube channel, Code with Risky. So before we start creating projects in if-else statement, so learn something new, that is prompt. What is prompt? Prompt is a built-in method in JavaScript. It shows a dialog box pop up with a message you want to display, an input field where the user can type something, and it shows two buttons, OK and cancel. Let's see how it works. Let K is equal to prompt, do prompt, what's your name? What's your name? So this is your prompt, what is your name? And there's two buttons, OK and cancel. I am risky. Okay, let's print it. Log, enter, K. So let's refresh it. And what's your name? My name is Risky. Okay, my name is Risky. So let's understand how it is work. When you use prompt, the browser pauses your code and show a pop-up with your message like this. If the user types something and click OK, it returns the text they typed inside the placeholder. If the user click cancel, it returns null. But if user writes something inside it, so goes in my let a variable. And the thing you always have to remember is it always return a string. Let's see, what's your name? Risky. And okay, so it's printing risky because risky return inside a variable and I'm printing the a variable. Let's see the type of a, log type of a, hello world. Okay, hello world and string. So this is how you take input from the user by using prompt. So let's start making some amazing projects. So now as we know how prompt works, let's build a calculator by using if-else letter. Let num1 is equal to prompt, enter number 1. In second line, let's make another variable. Let num2 is equal to prompt, enter number 2. Number 2, let's make another variable. Let operator is equal to prompt, enter operator between minus, plus, divide, and multiplication. So here we are using prompt to ask user to enter two numbers one at a time. But remember, prompt always gives us a string even if the user types a number. So we are going to use num function to convert this string into the number. So what will going to be happen? So the data user going to give us in number 1 prompt, so it will be changed into the number from this string. As same when the user going to give us a data in num2, it will also going to convert into the number. So what going to be happen? User going to see first pop-up prompt from num1. So after user give us a data in num1, so it will going to show him another prompt that will going to come from num2. After this, user going to see another and last prompt. So that will going to show him from operator and it will ask him to enter operator between these symbols. So now let's make a calculator by using if-else letter. I'm so excited to make this calculator. I hope you guys are also so excited to make calculator. Let's make if, else, then else if, condition, curly braces, copy, paste, then paste. So we have first condition, second condition, third condition, fourth condition, and fifth condition. So let's make calculator condition. If my operator is double equal to my additional operator, so print num1 plus num2. So let me copy paste it real quick. First one is our minus, plus, division and multiplication, and console.log, copy, paste, paste and paste, multiplication, division, addition. Let's see how it is going to work. If my operator double equal to subtraction, so I want to run this code, console.log, num1 minus num2. But if this condition become false, so run this code, and if this condition is also false, so run this code, and if this condition is also false, so run this code. If our all condition is false, so I want to print log invalid operator, please use this. So let's see how it is going to work. First, let's see if it is working or not. Enter my first number. My first number is 12. Enter your second number, and my second number is 13. And enter operator. So I want to add them. Let's see if it works or not. 25. 12 plus 13 is equal to 25. So it is working. Let's see how it is working. So my first prompt going to be pop-up is num1. Then my second prompt going to be pop-up num2. After this both prompt, my last prompt going to be show up, that is operator, and let's see how this condition is working. In this condition, if my operator double equal to subtraction sign, so what you do? So just subtract num1 and num2. So if this condition is false, so move on our next condition, that is this one. Let's check if our operator double equal to addition sign. So run this code num1 plus num2. If this condition is false, so move on our next condition, that is divide. If this condition is true, so run this code num1 divide num2. If this condition is false, so move on our next condition, that is multiplication. If my operator double equal to multiplication, so run this code and print num1 multiply num2. If my all condition is false, so just run this code invalid operator. Please use between this sign. And that's it. My amazing coders, look at how much have you done, from simple number checks to building your own calculator. This mini project are the foundation for big projects later on. Every big developer you admire started from small, just like this. So keep practicing, experiment, break your code, fix it again. That's how you grow. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Code with Risky for more beginner-friendly coding tutorial. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and stay awesome.